What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we are talking about VViViD's post-wrap product, SHIELD. So for those of you that don't know, I recently wrapped my EcoBoost Mustang in VViViD's Voltage Blue Gloss. If you're interested in seeing more of that process, I'll link to the forum down below, and I also have a video discussing how much money, the tools that I used, and how much time was required to wrap my vehicle for the first time. If you're interested in seeing that video, I will link to that video at the end of this one. Having a wrap professionally installed can cost a lot of money. However, if you're like me, you can save a lot of money by buying the film and tools and wrapping your vehicle yourself. However, I will warn you, if you've never wrapped a vehicle in your life, be ready to invest a lot of time. So either way, whether you wrapped your vehicle yourself or had someone else do it for you, you're probably here because you want to protect your vinyl as much as possible. Now, there are other methods out there to protect your vinyl, but SHIELD is a cost-effective and easy to apply product. You can pick up a 16-ounce bottle just like this one straight from VViViD's website for only $20 or for $25 from Amazon. The spray bottle is a conventional design that offers two different spray settings, one being spray and the other being stream. Now, the SHIELD product claims to have three different uses, one being installation, the other being protection, and the last one being removal. When it comes to installing vinyl, SHIELD provides a barrier between vinyl and squeegee. This can prove extremely useful for films that are more prone to scratches and abrasions. Personally, I think that the spray setting is a better choice for installation purposes because you can cover a larger surface area with less sprays as compared to stream, which will most likely just run off. The reason I decided to use SHIELD was for its protective qualities. SHIELD is a nanopolymer coating that hardens to protect vinyl from UV rays from the sun as well as abrasions. I think that the stream setting is better for protective purposes because you just simply spray a few times over an area and quickly wipe around that area with a quality microfiber towel. Now, the really cool thing about SHIELD is that you can actually feel it working. As you wipe the product, you'll notice that the towel glides more easy along the vinyl, suggesting that that area has been coated. To get an even better comparison, you can run your finger along vinyl that hasn't been coated and then run it along vinyl that has been coated, and you'll immediately feel that your finger glides better along the smooth coated surface. SHIELD is also good to use when removing film. Now, there's a story on the bottle that goes a little something like this. A BMW Z4 went in to get its wrap removed. Now, this BMW Z4 had 7-year-old metallic film on it. If you've ever removed film that old, you know that it can be quite frustrating because most likely the film will just chip away. Anyways, this is exactly what happened to the people who were removing the film, and somewhere along the line, coffee ended up being spilled onto the vinyl. To clean up the mess, SHIELD was used and the car was left overnight. To the remover's surprise, the next day, when they went to remove the piece that was sprayed with SHIELD the night before, the film pulled away with no problems. Unfortunately, I don't have vinyl that old on a surface to try that out on, but at least this gives you peace of mind to know that there's products out there that can help you with the removal process if that's something that worries you down the line. Now, VViViD recommends that you spray your vinyl with SHIELD after every car wash to always ensure a protected finish. I've used SHIELD twice, and as you can see, it doesn't take very much. For only $20, you can't beat it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you have any feedback, leave a comment down below. And also, be sure to subscribe for future content. As always, I'm Steven, out here hanging out, having fun. See you in the next video.